Hi everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Precious. Right, so in this video we want to look at this very beautiful example very quickly. Okay, it says that our R is given to be k plus 1 all over k minus 1, and then we are asked to express 2r minus 1 all over 2r plus 1 in terms of k. All right, so what's this asking us to do? In other words, they are asking us to substitute r in this expression with k. Okay, so how is that going to be done? Yeah, of course, some people may want to do this with a trial and error approach, trying to see how to make this to become, to make this to be in terms of k. But that's very easy to see. All you need to do is you write your 2r minus 1 all over 2r plus 1, and then you now write that it is equal to, now the beautiful thing is that we've been given the value of r. Okay, so what do? Just substitute r as k plus 1 all over k minus 1 wherever you see your r, and so this is going to give us 2 into my r is k plus 1 all over k minus 1. Then remember there is a plus 1 there. Okay, so this is all over 2 into the same thing, k plus 1 all over k minus 1, and that is, the denominator, the numerator is minus 1 while the denominator is plus 1. Okay, so at this point I have now expressed this in terms of k. So all I need to do is now to simplify what I have on the right hand side, and that quickly is going to give us, let's see, if you open this bracket, 2 will multiply the numerator, and that's going to be 2k plus 2 will multiply this 1 also to give you 2, and this is all over k minus 1, and then we have minus 1 here. This is all over, the denominator will now be 2 multiplying the numerator of the denominator here, so 2 will multiply k to give us 2k, 2 will multiply 1 to give us 2 also, and this is also over k minus 1, and this will now be plus 1. And why did I do this? Because you know that when you have a multiplying b over c, that a will only multiply the numerator to give you ab all over c. Okay, so now going forward, so we are going to now put this of this form, 2k plus 2 all over k minus 1, and this is minus 1, which is our numerator. So all we need to do now is to simplify our numerator and our denominator. Now, the division here, I want to use the sign this for that, and so my numerator will now come up, and that will be 2k plus 2. Okay, so to simplify the two brackets, that is going to give me, okay, take LCM. Remember, this is over 1. So if I take LCM here, my LCM will be k minus 1. And of course, this dividing k minus 1 will still give me 1. And so 1 multiplying 2k plus 2 will remain 2k plus 2. Then minus, I'll bring down this, open a bracket, and that's going to be 1 dividing k minus 1 will remain k minus 1. And so I have divided by, on the other side, I'm going to have the LCM as well, will be k minus 1. And so the same thing will happen here, 2k plus 2. Now, but in this case, this will be addition. Remember, this is over 1. And so when that divides, you are now going to have k minus 1. Now, notice that I didn't put bracket on this other one. The reason is because when you have subtraction, it's always good to bring in a bracket because the subtraction will affect this. But here is addition. Addition will not affect the signs here. Okay, so now we are now going to have to simplify the numerators of the two fractions. So of course, if you open this bracket, this will become minus k plus 1. You see what I'm saying? While this one will remain the same. So 2k minus k will give us k, and then 2 plus 1 will give us 3. and that is over k minus 1. Now divided by, here 2k plus k will give us 3k, and then 2 minus 1 will give us plus 1. Okay, and that is all over k minus 1. And of course, we know from fractions that if we now want to change the division to multiplication, something will happen to the fraction that is following. We will have the inverse of the fraction. Okay, so this is going to now become k minus 1 all over 3k plus 1. And then at this point, this k minus 1 will remove k minus 1. And the solution to that problem is k plus 3 all over 3k plus 1. So, in other words, if we want to express our 2r minus 1 all over 2r plus 1 in terms of k, it is simply equal to k plus 3 all over 3k plus 1, according to what we got here. Okay, and that is the solution to this problem. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and do give a thumbs up to this video. We will see you in our next video. Bye.